Hello, I'm Jason with the Experience Design team at Object Computing. Today, I'll demonstrate our LiDAR technology for rail networks. With tens of thousands of railroad crossings and miles of track, we know it's a monumental task to keep the network running.
We have found the use of LiDAR data can be an effective substitute for manual, on the ground condition assessment, increasing the frequency and timeliness of assessments. Increasingly current and accurate information can trigger actions to remedy unsafe conditions, inform priorities, and reduce unnecessary spending. LiDAR technology can help manage the safety of the railroad system from issues like vegetation at railroad crossings, ballast management, vegetation management on the track, and drainage. Our application, built on the Asterisms platform, shows how LiDAR data and our technology can help operations identify and prioritize handling of railroad crossing impediments. On our application, users can log in and quickly start viewing LiDAR data and insights. First, let me show you how LiDAR capabilities assist with automobile driver visibility requirements. We use LiDAR data to highlight railroad crossings with visibility occlusions. Our model automatically identifies and flags crossings in need of inspection. Future models will predict vegetation growth to allow for more proactive track maintenance. These views save time, as analysts can quickly go to the crossings that are in danger so an action can be taken. And auditors are able to prioritize crossings for inspection based on data instead of random annual selection. By using our scoring model, analysts can find the crossings that are in the danger category seen here, and the maintenance teams can act on these crossings first. With GEE's powerful cloud platform and Object Computing's geospatial and AI capabilities, businesses can access accurate remote sensing analysis and tailored data insights through Object Computing's Asterisms framework. This allows us to combine powerful Earth Engine data with our IP to create overlays and give more details to our LiDAR app. Here, we use LiDAR data to generate 2D heat maps overlaid on GPS-matched crossings so an analyst can quickly assess a crossing for maintenance needs. We also provide 3D mapped views of the LiDAR point cloud. In this 3D view, analysts can see a crossing from every angle and highlight areas in need of attention. Another time-saving function will be future work order integration. It will allow the team to create prioritized and grouped work orders with third-party crews and will provide work order history for each crossing. This integration will optimize efficient rail maintenance scheduling from one integrated application. Our LiDAR capabilities offer solutions for rail systems to utilize data to deliver meaningful outcomes, simplify network maintenance, and make their teams more efficient. If you want to learn more or see a personalized demonstration, please contact Object Computing.